Hello, everybody. Hope you will be doing well today. Since the last few days, we are discussing the general studies paper of UPSC Civil Services Examination held in June 2022. Usually, we discuss 5 questions in a day. Today, I am going to discuss 5 more questions. तो चलिए हम आज का पहला क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. With reference to India, consider the following statements. Monazite is a source of rare earths. Monazite contains thorium. Monazite occurs naturally in the entire coastal sands in India. In India, government bodies only can process or export monazite. Which of the statements given above are correct? So ये जो क्वेश्चन है ये पर्टिकुलरली मोनाजाइट एक मिनरल है उससे रिलेटेड है. So first of all, let me tell you or let me explain that in India, monazite is found in the coastal sands. Okay, so it is found in the coastal sands of West Bengal, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Puducherry, and Kerala. So it is not found in the coastal sands of Gujarat, Maharashtra, Goa, and Karnataka. Okay. So according to this, the third statement which is there, monazite occurs naturally in the entire Indian coastal sands in India. So this statement is wrong in this context. Okay. So that is why if you know that the statement number 3 is wrong, so you see in the options that 3 is in choice A, it is in choice C, and it is in choice D also. So it means the obvious answer is B, that is 1, 2, and 4 statements are correct. Okay. So otherwise, monazite is a mineral which consists of rare earths and thorium also. It is the Department of Atomic Energy which has been prescribed for handling of the monazite in India. So let us know something more about monazite. So rare earth elements. Rare earth elements is a set of 17 metallic elements. These include 15 lanthanides on the periodic table, scandium, and yttrium. Rare earths are an essential part of many high-tech devices. They are necessary components of a number of products across a wide range of applications, especially high-tech consumer products such as cellular phones, computer hardware devices, electric and hybrid vehicles, flat screen monitors, and televisions. Its significant defense applications include electronic displays, guidance systems, lasers, radars, and sonar systems. China is the world's largest supplier of rare earths. In one lecture in the previous days, I told you that 85% of rare earths in the world are sourced from China today. Monazite is a brown crystalline mineral consisting of cerium, lanthanum, other rare earths elements, and thorium. Monazite is a prescribed substance to be handled by the Department of Atomic Energy, which we have already discussed. In India, it occurs in the beach sand mineral placer deposits along the coastal track of India. Okay. And the important or in which states the monazite mineral is found in India. Odisha, 2.4 million tons of monazite. Andhra Pradesh, 3.72 million tons of monazite. Tamil Nadu, 2.46 million tons of monazite. Kerala 1.90, West Bengal 1.22, and Jharkhand 0.22. Total reserves of monazite in India are equal to 11.93 million tons. This is the total amount of reserves of monazite minerals in India. Okay. So it is very much clear that monazite is not found in the coastal sands of Gujarat, Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka. So, and it is found in the coastal sands of West Bengal, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Kerala. Okay, and apart from that, it is found in Jharkhand as well, which is not a coastal state of India. So, this is there. Okay, so in this context, we can say that statement 1 is correct. It is a source of rare earths. Statement 2 is correct. It contains thorium. And statement 4 is correct because 3 is wrong, as I have already told you. 4 is correct. Government bodies only can process or export monazite. Okay. So let us have a look at the next question. In the northern hemisphere, the longest day of the year normally occurs in the first half of the month of June, second half of the month of June, first half of the month of July, second half of the month of July. Very easy question. Its answer is B. Okay. So let me tell you that because there are 4 seasons, I can say, and that is according to the relative position of the earth with respect to the sun, we can say. Okay, so first of all, on 21st of March, okay, there is a spring equinox in the northern hemisphere. Okay, on this day, the rays of the sun fall vertically on the equator. So sun is vertically overhead the equator at this line on 21st of March. Okay. Then on 21st of June, we are talking about the northern hemisphere. This is the summer solstice. Summer solstice. On this day, the sun remains vertically overhead on the Tropic of Cancer. Tropic of Cancer. So sun remains vertically overhead on this imaginary line, that is the Tropic of Cancer. Okay. Then on 23rd of September, there is a autumn equinox in northern hemisphere. Autumn equinox. On this day, the sun is again vertically overhead the equator. Okay. And then on 22nd December, so there is the winter solstice. Winter solstice in the northern hemisphere. On this day, the sun is vertically overhead the Tropic of Capricorn. Tropic of Capricorn in the southern hemisphere. Okay. So on the 21st March, you can say days are equal to nights. On 21st June, you can say it is the longest day, and in summer season, usually the days remain longer than the nights. But on 21st June, there is the longest day in the northern hemisphere and the shortest night in the northern hemisphere. Okay. And on 23rd September, again, days are equal to nights. And during the winter season in the northern hemisphere, days remain smaller than the nights. And on 22nd December, there is the shortest day in the northern hemisphere and the longest night. Okay, shortest day. So therefore the answer is a second half of the month of June, when there is the longest day of the year in the northern hemisphere. Okay. So next question, which is there, consider the following pairs, wetland and location. Okay. First is the Hokera wetland. Location is given here, that is Punjab. So this is wrong because Hokera wetland is found in the state of Jammu and Kashmir. Renuka wetland, Himachal Pradesh. This is correct. Then Rudrasagar Lake in Tripura. This is also correct. Then Sasthamkotta Lake in Tamil Nadu. This is wrong because Sasthamkotta Lake is in Kerala, not in Tamil Nadu. Okay, so out of the four given, these two pairs are correct. Okay, how many pairs given above are correctly matched? So the correctly matched pairs are two. So our answer is only two pairs are correctly matched. That is, our answer is B. And one important point which you should note here, that all the given four wetlands here or lakes, those are the Ramsar sites. Okay, those are the Ramsar sites. And as on today, there are total 49 Ramsar sites in India, including the two new sites which have been declared the Ramsar sites in this year 2022 in the month of February. Okay, so one is the Khejadia, Khijada, Khejadia Wildlife Sanctuary, Wildlife Sanctuary. So it falls in Gujarat. Okay, so we can write here Gujarat. And the second is, that is Bakhira Wildlife Sanctuary. That is Bakhira, Bakhira Wildlife Sanctuary. So it falls in UP, means Uttar Pradesh. Okay. So total 49 Ramsar sites are there, and all the four given sites like Hokera, Renuka, Rudrasagar and Sasthamkotta, these are the Ramsar sites. So next question. Consider the following: okay, Arogya Setu, Cowin, then DigiLocker, Diksha. Which of the above are built on top of open source digital platforms? Okay, so first of all, let us know here that digital platforms or software, so we can say digital platforms can be of two types. So one is the closed source digital platforms, closed source digital platforms, and second one is the open source digital platform, open source digital platform. Okay, so as far as the closed source digital platform is concerned, so it is one which is under the exclusive control of the person or the organization which has developed it or which has created it. Okay, so this is not open for access to everybody. Okay, so this is that. And the open source digital platform, that is one which can be inspected, modified or enhanced by anyone. So anybody can you can say access it, anybody can enhance it, anybody can modify it. So that is the open source digital platform. Okay, so all the four given platforms are the open source digital platforms. Okay, so our answer becomes D here. So the next question which is here, that is With reference to Web 3.0, consider the following statements. So this question is related with Web 3.0. So what is this Web 3.0? Web 3.0 is basically third generation of evolution of web technology. Okay, so Web 1.0, Web 2.0 and Web 3.0 are three terms. So Web 3.0, that is the you can say third generation of evolution of web technologies. Okay, so third generation of web technologies. Okay, so obviously this third generation of web technologies is more advanced as compared to web technologies 1.0 and 2.0. Okay, so Web 3.0 enables people to control their own data. Yes, this is one of the features of Web 3.0. Web 3.0 world, in Web 3.0 world, there can be blockchain based social networks. Yes, it is true. Web 3.0 is operated by users collectively rather than a corporation. Yes, this is also true. So our answer becomes D here. Okay, so this is our answer. Okay, so here is a little about Web 3.0. It's a third generation of the evolution of web technologies. Its features include decentralized applications, blockchain based technology. It makes use of machine learning and artificial intelligence. It also works with cryptocurrencies, which are all built and enabled on top of blockchain technology. Okay, so these are some important features of Web 3.0 technology. सो आज के 5 क्वेश्चंस हमने डिस्कस कर लिए हैं. अगर किसी का कोई डाउट हो या क्वेरी हो तो आप कमेंट में लिख सकते हो. मैं आपकी क्वेरी को एड्रेस करने की पूरी कोशिश करूँगा. तो आज के लिए इतना ही. बाय. टेक केयर ऑफ़ योर सेल्फ. गॉड ब्लेस यू ऑल. थैंक यू वेरी मच.